guys, so I just made breakfast, I took a shower, I made some iced coffee, and I am ready to start my day. It's a little bit late, but it's a Saturday, so it's okay. I'm really focusing today on eating like healthy food that's gonna make me feel better because I have been fighting off a cold or some kind of weird like virus with the weather's changing. Also with school starting, I'm around a lot more people, taking the subway a lot more often. So it's important at that point to like make sure you're eating right and eating good food for you. So I'm really making a special emphasis today to do so. A lot of these meals could be used like throughout the week too, for school, for lunches, breakfast. You can easily like put a lid on this and take it to go. And today's video is sponsored by Squarespace, which I'm so excited for because as most of you guys know, I launched my new website about 2 weeks ago, and I told you guys I want to start doing like supplementary blog posts to go along with videos. So today I'm gonna add a kind of go-to grocery store list and like what I use the ingredients for, hopefully helping some of you guys transition to like a plant-based vegan lifestyle. But it's been such a pleasure working with Squarespace just because it's been so easy to make the website I had in my head come to life for real, because I always was a little bit intimidated by it, but it's just been super easy, and they have 24/7 hour support, which is great. So if you get hung up on anything, there's always someone there to help, which is really ideal. And they just have so many different layouts you can choose from as well, so it just makes it easy for whatever you're looking for. I just definitely highly recommend. I think it could be great for some of you guys who are interested in sharing your passions with people. And if you want to start your free trial today, you can go to www.squarespace.com/where I live to get 10% off your first purchase. So hopefully you guys take advantage of that if that sounds of interest to you. And yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along today. It's a Saturday, I'm getting my life together and hopefully making some really good food to show you guys. So guys, so I just finished filming a different video and sat and did a little bit of work, but it's probably like 3:30 now. I'm really hungry for some solid food, so I'm gonna make a really massive salad, I think. And yeah, I honestly just got like so hungry and started piecing on this pasta sauce that I made last night that is just like tomato sauce with peppers and eggplant and onions and soy protein that I made for dinner last night, and just like kind of snacked on that really quick. But I think I'm gonna do kind of like big salad with beans, corn, avocado, some dressing, and just like make a massive salad because I haven't done that for so long, and that just sounds really good right now. So that's what I'm gonna make for lunch. So I actually ended up going to the city with Isabel to get some plants because she was looking to get plants and invited me to come along. So I went and grabbed a few new plants for my apartment, and then I went and got groceries, so I'm like all stocked up for the week. So I'm just gonna do a little plant slash grocery haul. So our idea, I'll give you a sneak peek, but our idea for this corner is to make it into kind of like a little plant corner. Obviously it doesn't look great right now. So I just got this monstera and she's beautiful. I'll link the place, or I'll put the name of the place we went down below. And then I got these two little baby guys to like line up on there. So I just have you propped up in the kitchen in true vlog form, and yeah, I'll show you the groceries I got today. I got some apples, which are just good snacks. I got this red onion, but I'm gonna pickle red onions because I'm obsessed with pickled red onions. They're so good on everything, and apparently they're really easy to make at home, so that's what I'm gonna do right now actually. I got some beets. I've been really craving beets, like a lot for some reason. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna eat these raw, probably like in a salad. And then I just got 2 orange tomatoes. I don't know why, the orange ones just looked better and they were like the same price. So if I ever forget like my produce bags, I just don't use one for like the free loose stuff because I wash all my food before I eat it anyways. I got some ginger because I've been feeling sick, as I mentioned before. Black beans, staple. I got some sprouts. I'm probably gonna make veggie burgers for dinner, so I wanted to put sprouts on there because that just sounds good. And then tofu. I grabbed some peanut butter. You guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, I've been eating so much dates and peanut butter. It's so good together, and it's just like a really delicious, satisfying snack. Didn't have dates though, so I ran out of dates, but hopefully I'll get some tomorrow. And then I grabbed some dairy-free cashew yogurt. This is the best yogurt alternative in my opinion. It just tastes so much like yogurt, and I was always a huge fan of plain yogurt, and it's been hard for me to find an alternative that doesn't like taste like coconut, and this one just tastes really similar to plain yogurt, so I love this stuff. And then I just grabbed a big creamer because we've been making coffee at home pretty much exclusively, which has been great. Just like always making coffee at home, not spending money getting it out. And this, I will tell you guys, if you're looking for a vegan alternative, this stuff tastes exactly like I forget the brand, the one that's like blue with the red top. This stuff tastes pretty much identical. It's just really good, and it still makes your coffee really creamy and a little bit sweet. It's honestly better in my opinion because it's not like so sickeningly sweet like the other one. So yeah, you guys should definitely try this if you are in need of a vegan creamer. Then I just grabbed some carrots, hummus. I grabbed a kombucha because last week my professor in one of my classes, this is such a weird stance, I'm like crouching, brought us scobies, which is basically what you use to ferment the tea for kombucha. So I have a SCOBY now, which I have been just waiting to somehow cross paths with someone who would give me a SCOBY, because it's just better to get one that is from someone. You kind of like pass them down to people, and it's just been sitting in my cabinet because you're supposed to keep it in like a cool dark place. But she told us the other day that if you don't use it right away, it can be good to just put it in a little bit of kombucha and then let it sit in your fridge until you're ready to use it. So that's what this is for. And then this week I'm gonna try making my own kombucha, which is exciting because I'm a little intimidated to do it, and I haven't for a while, but hopefully I can do it and it'll taste good. We'll see. I might vlog that process as well, but that's everything I got. guys, so that's my dinner. I was still pretty full from lunch actually this afternoon. It just really filled me up. So I made kind of a quicker, easier dinner, which is a veggie burger, and I tried to use ingredients that I have on hand, and it's just super quick and easy, but still really satisfying. Making veggie burgers is probably one of my favorite meals. This is easy for you guys to recreate as well. Yeah, and again, if you guys want to check out Squarespace, you can go to www.squarespace.com/whereilive to get 10% off your first purchase. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat my dinner, so I'm gonna say goodbye now, but thanks so much for watching as always, and I'll see you guys in the next one.